on the MACMAZZA software. In this video we are going to see how you can measure efficiency of the machine, and how to store this data for later comparison analysis. Please enter the maintenance page by clicking on Debugger, then Status, and finally on Machine Parameters. From this page you can play different video tutorial on how to perform ordinary maintenance activity. In this case I suggest you to watch the video based on that. This environment allows you either monitor the current state of mechanical wear of the different machines parts you should be warned about. The software allows you to export this data in Excel format in case you want to analyze it with a different external software. Otherwise this data can also be graphically inspected. In fact, you can easily compare current value versus target value. This is an interesting feature realized to provide independency and total control on the user's hand. With this tool, the customer can collect data and use for Industry 4.0 purpose. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us at the link below.